Hi, Ms. Pelosi. Welcome to another YouTube video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Today we're going to be talking about research method. There's various types of research methods. We have experiments, surveys, observations, case studies, cross-sectional studies, and longitudinal studies. About experiments. Experiments are carefully controlled investigations used to establish a cause and effect relationship. Experiments are important because they help with understanding behaviors, thoughts, relationships, and allow us to categorize disorders and develop treatments. Parts of an experiment are hypotheses, dependent variable, which is the effective variable, and independent variable, which is the manipulated variable. In order for an experiment to run smoothly, you must include random sampling, random assignment, and double-blind procedure. However, things could also go wrong, like confounding variables, which leads to unwanted influence on the outcome of an experiment. It is also good to keep in mind and try to avoid biases. This would be experimenter bias, sample bias, insight bias, Hawthorne effect, and placebo effect. About surveys. Surveys are a method of gathering information by sending out questions to a sample of people with the aim of understanding population as a whole. Surveys can help provide information about the economy, government, academics, and many other different things. Surveys can be easy to send out, but could also lead to bias as people are answering these voluntarily. About naturalistic observations. Naturalistic observations involve observing subjects in their natural environments. People watch their subjects and write notes on their behaviors to later make conclusions on these observations. These could lead to experimenter bias, as the person taking notes is the one making their own conclusions. About case studies. Case studies are detailed and in-depth knowledge on rare and unsealed cases. Cross-sectional studies compare individuals of various ages at the same time. These provide more information but could have a lot of confounding variables. Longitudinal studies measure a single individual or a group of individuals over an extended period of time. However, it is costly and time-consuming. About correlations. In order to find correlations, you must observe or measure a relationship between two variables. R would equal correlation coefficient. You can have positive correlations or negative correlations. Central tendency measures the mean, median, and mode. Variation measures range and standard deviation. About distributions. Normal distributions will look like a normal curve where distributions are 50% above the mean, 50% below the mean. Mean, median, and mode are all the same, and average scores are found in the middle and make up most of the data. Distributions can also be skewed, which means that they are affected by large scores on either side. This can be positively skewed or negatively skewed. About ethical research. In order to properly conduct a safe, ethical experiment, there must be informed consent, debriefing, confidentiality, protection from harm, institutional review board. When it comes down to animal research, there must be clear purpose, humane treatment, acquire animals legally, and minimal suffering. That is it of this YouTube video. Hope you enjoyed. Once again, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And see you on the next one. Bye-bye.